Hi guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and today I want to take a look at lean one-piece flow at a taco stand. A couple of weeks ago, I was down in Mexico riding motorcycles with some friends, and what we like to do when we're down there is search out great tacos. Our favorite of all time is al pastor. This is our pork meat that is cooked on a spit fresh right there in front of you every time. Recently, I was in Las Vegas and this guy was making tacos on the strip, and he is probably the fastest taco maker that I have ever seen. And it points out really good about one-piece flow and having a lean work cell, how it makes for easy, simple work, and that you can just crank stuff out really, really fast. Let's take a look at his work cell here. First off, he has his inventory right there in front of him. The meat is cooking fresh right as he needs it. He doesn't have to walk anywhere. He doesn't have to go pull it off the grill, doesn't have to pull it out of a microwave. As he needs it, he can cook it right there in front of him. As well on the left there, he's got his plates that he's gonna put his taco order on, and just below that, he has his paper that he's gonna put each individual taco in. So this is the right side of his workstation. Notice that he's got his tortillas on the grill right there in front of him, preheating, being ready to be used. And then on the right side, in the upper corner there, he's got a big pile of onion and a big pile of cilantro all in one plate. This allows him to reach in and in one motion grab both of those, or if he's got a special order that he can grab just one or the other, but all in one simple motion. And then he has his two big bowls of sauce right there next to him. After multiple orders, he would stop making tacos, take a minute, and just 3S his workstation. Wipe down the counters, wipe off his knife, make sure it was clean, take a minute to resharpen it so that he could work efficiently all of the time. You'll even notice here on the back side, he's got his garbage can that's nice and close. The whole time that he's doing this, you'll notice that he doesn't go anywhere. This is his feet while he's cleaning up and making tacos, never more than about 6 inches of movement. Let's take a second now and just watch this guy build some tacos. I haven't sped this up. This is actually the speed that he works at. Very, very fast, very, very accurate, every one. Now let's take a look at this in slow motion. Here he goes, he's gonna pick up his knife, he's got his tortilla in his hand, and he's gonna slice that fresh cooked meat off right into the tortilla, no wasted motion there. When he's done with that, he's gonna move over just a few inches and he's gonna grab his cilantro and onion. He's gonna do that in one motion, grab both of those and apply it to the taco. And then rotate slightly. He's gonna pick up his spoon. Notice that they're in the same place every time, and never leave the area above the bowl, and load just the right amount into the taco. As he finishes up, his hand comes over and closes the taco on, goes over and sets it on the plate, and he repeats the process. My guess is this guy builds well over 1,000 tacos in an evening. And the whole time you'll notice as you're watching him is that there's almost no wasted motion, there's no extra transportation or anything. This is a great example of a U-shaped work cell. Everything's right there at hand. No need to go and get anything from anywhere else. Everything happens right in that location. A little bit of prep beforehand, keep the place clean, sharpen the knife every now and then, and build, build, build. If we can take a look at our own workstations and try to eliminate all the waste one day too, we could be as good as this guy building tacos at a taco shop.